Still guessing your toast every morning? Not anymore. Burnt toast, uneven toast, waiting forever? Breakfast shouldn't be stressful. Meet the Smart Touchscreen Toaster, the future of breakfast. Just tap your bread type, choose your shade, and let the digital timer do the rest. Perfect toast, every single time. Toast anything you love: bread, bagels, waffles, pastries, muffins, even gluten-free. 6 smart presets and 6 browning levels mean your breakfast is always exactly how you like it. Extra wide slots handle thick artisan slices with ease. Frozen bread? Use Defrost. Love bagels? One touch mode. Need to stop? Cancel any time. It's easy to clean, safe to use, and designed to look stunning in any modern kitchen. Upgrade your mornings. Upgrade your kitchen. Upgrade your toast. Check the link.